Wednesday, Christmas Day, just before noon. Wife and I have been working on cooking Christmas dinner. Turkey coming along nicely. That's the dressing down below it. And we had pretty severe thunderstorms pretty much all night. And put the food out for the outside cats we feed. They're neighborhood strays. Had a new one come by this morning. Both food bowls were complete. All three food bowls were completely empty, as was the one in the garage. And a new cat came by this morning. It was a white one. He got him quite a bit to eat. Squirrels are munching on the food too. Fluffy's waiting on the outside cat so she can bounce on the storm door and show him who's boss. Kitty's sleeping in a file box she claimed as bed. So, just a low impact day. Squirrels having fun. We got more than a dozen squirrels that come to the feeders. And they don't hurt anything, so let them do what they do. Fluffy likes to watch them, but she don't try to terrorize them. But anyway, waiting for the turkey, so that's all for this one. Thank you.